Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the Imperial Balloons channel. My name is Aisha, and today I have a really quick tip for you guys. Now, if you're in the balloon industry, you definitely know those backdrop covers and stands that ubackdrop.com sells. They usually go for around, I would say, like $500 for 3 frames and then some covers. Now, if you're just beginning in the balloon industry and you want a more affordable option, you can get these more affordable stands off of AliExpress, and they also sell covers on there as well. Now, the one problem that I ran into with this is that the covers that they bring for the sizes of the frames are usually a little bit too big. So what you get is this flimsy looking backdrop, and it just doesn't look good. So what I decided to do is take the feet off of the frame, and then I'm going to pull down the cover as much as I can until the frame is looking a little bit more tight and you don't see these wrinkles in the cover. As you can see here, there's a lot of extra fabric, but we've pulled all of that down, and then you're going to cut a little hole so that you can put the feet back into the frame. Now, at first I was really hesitant because I was so scared that it would rip, but I've used these frames a couple of times already and I haven't had any issues with that. Of course, you do need to be careful, and just use your common sense and creativity when it comes to this, and I think you'll be just fine. And again, this is a quick hack for the people that are not able to afford the fancy backdrop frames yet. I am definitely looking to invest in them in the very near future, but for now these work fine. Now, you're gonna have some extra fabric at the back that you're gonna want to clip up, and I decided to use safety pins to do so. And the difference between the beginning and after is just such a major difference. It looks tight, it looks like it fits, it looks clean. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little hack, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and you can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.